Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Whitehead and I will be your student's freshman English teacher here at Thunderbird for this semester. Thank you for joining us in our virtual open house. I'm going to briefly talk about the class and some expectations, and then we will be done. So I just want to thank you for your dedication to your child's education and your understanding and your kindness during this really difficult time as we navigate virtual teaching and virtual learning together. A couple of things to expect in English 1-2. We will be using the virtual platform of WebEx. So students will be logging into WebEx, which is a online, basically a chat every single day during their class time. If they do not show up to that WebEx or that virtual classroom, they are marked absent. If they are late joining or late coming back, then they will be marked tardy. So most of the time for our 90-minute class period, we'll have some group work, we'll have a lesson. There will most likely be a small amount of time in the middle of that 90-minute block where they have some independent work, and then they will always be asked to join the class back at a certain time. If they do not join back, they will be marked tardy. We'll also be using Google Classroom. Students can be using that on their Chromebooks or on their phones to look at material and to complete assignments. And we are using the Band app as well, which is a way for me to quickly communicate with parents and with students. So I would recommend parents joining that too. We will be reading a couple of shorter texts this semester and focusing on explanatory writing. At the end of the semester, students will be taking a performance-based assessment, which is a district assessment that will be focusing on explanatory writing. The two grading categories that are the most important or heavily weighted are homework and classwork and writing assignments, since students will be doing a lot of writing practice, and they will also be assigned a lot of classwork on a daily basis. So it might be easy to get overwhelmed or to not necessarily know what's due when. So that's why the daily agenda, which I have linked on this page, and Google Classroom are really good resources for your students to make sure that they are staying on top of their work. Other than that, a little bit about me. I am the varsity girls volleyball coach and the varsity girls tennis coach here at Thunderbird. Volleyball tryouts are right around the corner. So if you have anyone that you know that is interested in trying out, please give them my contact information. And girls tennis does start in the spring, so it is a spring sport. I also am the Title I coordinator, so I have time in my day dedicated to Title I responsibilities, which is student intervention and success, freshman transition, parent contact, and faculty support. My email address and my websites are linked on this page, as well as my open house presentation. If you would like to look at that on your own time, please don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. And I look forward to a great semester with your child, and I hope that we can be successful together. Thank you.